everything
these
off the
C's brake
car.
calipers go from
We
completely
have
stuck
the
to
two
fully
front
rebuilt
calipers
in under a
and the
minute.
two. And look at the sludge. That is everything disassembled. The calipers ready to go. The two front ones. The calipers and the brackets are looking quite good. We have all three coats of the top coat on now. But they are looking good. We have our piston, our dust seal, our piston seal, our caliper slide, kind of rubber mounts, caliper slides themselves. And now with all four pistons finally in place, you can